Hey everyone, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude here with another scan code video. We've got the ocean protector Mosasaurus, and we'll just be scanning that figure today, just as like a separate individual scan. So some of you people who want to scan it, don't have the scan code already, can just easily get it. There it is. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. Fix the lighting just a bit. And there we go. So if somehow that did not scan for any of you, make sure to let me know down in the comments, and I'll feature this figure in the next scan code video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.